Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix battery drain on your POCO M7. So first we want to go over to the battery and see the usage by apps. Here we need to detect which app takes what amount of percentage of the ratio. So we're gonna scroll down here and here we have the ratio. As you guys can see, the Google Play Store takes a lot here. So if I click on the Google Play Store, as you guys can see, we can go to battery saver and here click restrict background apps. Now we can click OK and this is how it will look like. Now it's blocked in the background and here we can do the same for Google Wallet, but I do not recommend that because if you're using Google Wallet and you're paying by it, then I would just keep it like that. Here you will have a lot of more apps, but this phone has been freshly set up. This is a new phone, so there's not a lot of going on right now, and here we just need to disable background activity for every single app that has a high usage. Now what we're going to do next is uninstall some bloatware. If you do not need Temu, you guys can try and uninstall it right here. If you do not need some bubble shooting or block puzzles, you guys can also just hold them, click on the trash icon and uninstall. This is what you guys can do with the bloatware. These apps just come pre-installed, and if you want to delete it, just delete them and then your phone will run definitely better. Now what you guys want to do next is go over into the Play Store, and in the Play Store go to search apps and games and search for AccuBattery. So we're gonna download AccuBattery to check our battery a little bit more thoroughly. We want to see our battery at its peak. So let's see everything about our battery. Once the app downloads, we're gonna jump straight into it. Here what we need to do is we need to scroll those slides. Now this is calibrating, so we're gonna click continue now, and here we have the device detection. We have our POCO, we have the battery design. And here what we're going to do is we're going to go to health. Here in the health we can dismiss this stuff, we can dismiss the first one, and here we need 5 valid charge sessions, and for a session to count it has to be when your phone is under 15% and you charge it up to 100. Make sure you're not using it in the meantime. You need 5 full charges to see the battery health, battery level, and your battery regression. Here we also have the charging. You guys can see how much would it cost the battery to wear. If you want to charge from 0 to 100, it costs 0.21 cycles in wear. But if you want to go over to 100, then it costs a cycle. It's not worth charging up to 100% when you can save your battery life and charge to 80. And 80 is a lot. Now in the history, we can see our cycles, we can see the battery wear, usage, how many we charged, and if we are efficient in it. We can see the show last sessions, as you guys can see. And this is where we can check the information about our battery. Now, what we want to do is we want to restart our phone. So this is to refresh the entire system. We want to press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now swipe down to reboot, and I'll see you guys once the entire phone restarts. Now after the restart, let's simply unlock the device. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna go to the authorized service, because if there's still battery drain issues even after those 5 charges, even after checking out the battery, then there's something wrong and there may be an error that user just cannot find with your eye. So bring the phone to the control center to see if they can fix the issue. If not, then just replace the battery. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.